In this Amaze review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming that you push a button to activate automated online stores that are making you 70, 80, $500 per day on autopilot. I'm going to be telling you what this is and of course what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Amaze, you can go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to get if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says press one button to activate automated online stores that generate 70, 80, and even $500 per day on autopilot. We call it the machine, an app that sucks in free buyer traffic, yada, yada, yada. So this is traditional internet marketing sales page. We're used to that by now. Will this make this kind of money for you on autopilot? What do you think? Do you think like you're just going to get the store and make $500 a day? Probably not. Like what this does is it creates done for you digital stores where, the word Amaze here makes me think of Amazon. It allows you to sell products. Apparently you can sell like digital products, physical products, whatever. But they've got some pretty big income claims here. I'm going to show you like what these stores really are, but we're also going to look at these claims here. So it says like here, showing income screenshots of like $26,000 made last month and $29,000 made this month. I know that these guys are making this kind of money, but it's not from this software. So that's the problem here. And this money isn't coming from the software. And we need to remember that. If you're going to purchase this, don't purchase it based upon these screenshots. Purchase it because you want a software that's going to create digital stores for you. And I'll show you that in a second. So here you can activate your store. You add products into your store. Great. And then it says send traffic in less than 60 seconds. So they've got a way of sending traffic. Most likely it's some kind of a viral traffic thing, but it's not like you're automatically going to get like thousands and thousands of clicks of traffic coming in. That just doesn't happen here. If we look down here on the sales page, more sales page stuff. Now these screenshots, like this is affiliate marketing with Warrior Plus. So, or sales from Warrior Plus. So this has nothing to do with this software. It's like, they should say that on the sales page here. Nothing to do with it. This is a cloud-based software. It says here you can set up these stores. You can easily set up these stores. You have to give them credit here. The stores are made to set up very quickly. You get the step-by-step training. You get the setup guide, of course, the tutorials on how to set everything up with this. But these screenshots, again, they're throwing these Warrior Plus screenshots at us, and I know that's not done using these stores. I'd be very, very surprised if it was. Like, show me a store that's creating this money. I'd love to see that, but it doesn't exist. Okay, so blah, blah, blah. If you decide you're going to purchase, you get access to the software, you get access to the tutorials, all the premium bonuses and everything for a low one-time price. One thing I'm going to tell you to do is move your mouse away. Most likely a discount will pop up. I'm not sure because this is a preview page, but try it out. And give me a like also if you like the fact that I try to get you these discounts. I appreciate that, and it helps out with my channel. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play you a video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you an actual store made with the software. I'm going to show you the back-end area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Guys, this is Amaze, a profit-making machine which lets you press one button to activate automated online stores that generate 70, 80, and even $500+ per day on autopilot. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor, so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do. Let me show you. Step 1. Activate your store in just a click. Amaze lets you activate a professional-looking, flexible, and easy to customize store in just a click with DFY templates included. You just simply need to add a name of your choice to identify your store and click on Build Store. And as you can see, it lets you do it in just a click. You will have your store up and running in just a sec and ready to be customized. You just need to log in and start customizing everything to your liking. Guys, we made customizing your store a total breeze. You will be able to pick the theme of your choice, customize top and footer menus, add pages, sliders, SEO, and a whole lot more, and be able to build a beautiful store just like this. And yes, guys, you will be able to set your custom domain the professional way without any delays. And we will walk you step by step how to do everything the easy way and without getting lost. Step 2. Add products to your store in less than a minute. Amaze lets you add hundreds of ready-to-profit physical, digital, or affiliate products in less than a minute and from any affiliate marketplace of your choice. Guys, this is a real professional yet simple-to-use store builder where you can manage your own products, but you don't have to deal with inventory or anything like that if you don't want to. This is because you can also add affiliate products to your store so you can avoid the inventory headache and enjoy only the commissions part of the selling process. Amaze lets you create physical and digital products you own, our physical and digital affiliate products one by one, but we have taken technology a step further so you can import a file with as many ready-to-sell products as you want in less than a minute and publish them all at once. And as you can see, it lets you do it in less than a minute. How cool is that? Step 3. Send free traffic in just a few clicks. Amaze lets you place your store in front of as many buyer eyes as you want in just a few clicks with a powerful traffic engine we have specially designed for this. Guys, we have designed a traffic generation app which is unique of its kind. This app lets you research among dozens, if not hundreds of trendy images people are liking, so you can get inspiration to build your own trendy image related to the product you plan to promote. It lets you build your own image by using a really easy-to-handle image builder and lets you create an instant free traffic generation campaign in Pinterest like no other app would ever do for you. And as you can see, guys, it lets you do it in just a few clicks. This thing is just terrific, guys. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There is lots more awesome stuff inside Amaze, but I can't show them all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training which will show you how to make money with Amaze the quick and easy way, step by step. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So, if you're looking to use a profit-making machine which lets you press one button to activate automated online stores that generate 70, 80, and even $500+ per day on autopilot, then try Amaze today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
Okay, so we're back. So this is a store that was actually created with the software. So they actually look nice. Like if you look at this, this is just one. You can edit all this stuff here, edit all these different things, edit your logo, your images and everything. Here's some products that they've added to the store here. If we take a look at these, let's click on this one and see what this looks like. Like this is a nice looking, decent store. You could have all this information here, your reviews, very nice looking. So there's no problem with that. That's like if you're looking for a way of building a store, then this is great. This is a great way to build a store. You don't have to have they host everything for you. They've got you don't have to have a domain name. Apparently, you can use your own domain name if you want to, which is great. But this is the kind of store that it creates here. Just so you know, and it's not some magic push button thing that's going to make you $1 million overnight, right? They do have the backend area here. They've got training in here that's going to walk you through. Like they have a demo of setting it up, and customizing your store and how to get everything all going. Then they've got your store builder that you can build your store here. You have your login information, your password. You set up on their subdomain here, and you create your store inside here. Great. They've got something called the traffic engine, which is something I didn't explore this too much here, so it's just like a way of getting traffic here. But it's like these things go as far as like doing like these kind of traffic things. It's most likely social sharing traffic. Like there's no magic button for free traffic. That's one thing that everyone wants to see. That everyone wants to see that you can get traffic like super easily. But the best thing that like we see this over and over again is these softwares have ways of automatically sharing on social networks. But again, if you don't have a social following, you shouldn't expect to get a ton of traffic. But you should still share out there. You can get some free traffic. I have a Twitter account with like 2,000 followers on it, and I still share on it just for the social reach, for the backlinks and everything. It's still worth it to share on these places. Don't get me wrong. Okay, so you've got multiple upgrades here. First one is unlimited. Make sure you move your mouse away. You can get a discount. So you can bring that price down $10. Again, I make less by showing this. You give me a like if you like the fact that I show that. This is going to give you unlimited stores and unlimited traffic and stuff, it says. But yeah, you get unlimited stores. Next one here is done for you. So they're going to set it up for you. Move your mouse away, bring that price down $120 to $77 for this one. Next one here is an autopilot version. Move your mouse away and bring the price down to $29. Next one is some kind of a 24 done for your business in a box. I don't know. You can bring the price down $100 to 97 if you move your mouse away. Next one here is it looks like some kind of a high ticket payment type thing. Move your mouse away, bring the price down to 29. And the last one here, it looks like you can get resale rights on this. Move your mouse away, get it for 29. All the OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Amaze and what don't I like about it? Of course, if I had to say something that I don't like about it, the marketing on it is showing all kinds of Warrior Plus screenshots when, yes, I know that you can sell digital products, but I'm like 99% sure that those sales were not done using this software. So if you're going to get proof of that, if you're going to show that kind of proof, you really need to be clear that it's not actually from the software. So don't buy this if you are buying it based simply on that proof. What do I like about this? If you are looking for simply a store to sell digital products on, and you want one that looks nice and it's easy to set up and customizable, and you don't have to have your own domain name and it has its own hosting all in it for you, then this could be something that could be good for you. Then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Amaze, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.